we got the shaving cream here. And we have the borax. Yep. And we got this cup of water, so we put aside our slime. And we got this color. So good color. And now we got this water, so we make a cup. So we put in our slime and it could dry up, and so it could turn into slime. Yeah, this is the cup that we're going to use, so we put our slime in it. So here we go. Look me. Okay. Do you need help? It's so heavy. No more. Okay, that's it. Okay, now it's my turn. I'm doing like this. I'm making some shaving cream now. Shaving cream. What is this thing? We just bought this. You bought it? Yeah.
Yep.
It's almost turning into slime. Okay, now we got the food coloring. I mean, okay, I'm gonna get the yellow one because it looks like butter. So let's get started. Okay, that's it. Now I'm going to mix. It's going to turn into slime after we use the shake.
You got your face.
It's almost turned slime, but we'll have to use the shake. Guys, eat the colors yellow and blue. I love my slime. The last time we used the green. Last time we used the green, it took the kind of really stick. Now we're gonna add the shaving cream. So now it's my turn because she did it twice. Okay, now if we shake it up, I'm going to. I'm just falling. I'm gonna do little by little. I'm gonna do little by little so we won't end up like last time. Last time it went all sticky. Yeah, a little bit, okay? That's it. After you clean this one. I have a lot in butt. So guys, after we're going to use this water so it can activate. I'm gonna have this fluffy slime. I love water.
Bad idea.
I need more. We added some more glue and it's turning out pretty good. But now we're gonna add some water.
With Borax.
With Borax. I'm doing little by little. Let me help you. I'm gonna help her because she's little and I need help her. Little woman. After I'm going to get my hands and I'm going to mix it with my hands. Yeah. Here, pop my food out. Okay, pop my food. Guys, now I'm gonna use it with my hands. So yeah, let's get started. As long as I'm fluffy, might just turn out a little bit more fluffy than last time. After we're gonna make another one. That's what it is. Next, I'm gonna make mine red. I'm gonna make my bed. My turn is so bad. How's yours going? Kind of good. But it just needs to stretch out. My hand's in there. How does that feel like? I don't know. Oh, I actually kind of get some glue in there. Okay, guys, mine is turning out to slime. My turn to not slime, but I'll help you out. It turned into fluffy slime, though. I don't like to stretch it that much. Now I'm getting all the glue in here. But I don't like bubbles. Over to my girlfriend. Inside my hair. No. Mine turning really good. So I only added a little bit of water. My turning is so bad. A little bit of my plate. Now it's slime. Mine is very perfect. Mine is slime. After I'm gonna make my edit slime. Okay, now I'm gonna wait till she's done. I wanna play with it right now so I can get much more better. And after all, I'm gonna be really good. So I found some slime in here and I'm gonna scoop it up and I'm gonna put it in here. Don't